Ibra, let's go, dude. Tuesday. Another day to get it. I'm I've got big moves over here. See if I can remember where I left off. To do. How do we calculate this? Let's see if we can't remember. Okay. Oh yes. So well, I guess what is it? Hold on. Oh. Yo, NFF, what's good? How we doing? Okay, I got an idea. Um, let's go to tutorial service because this thing's definitely broken. Hello. Okay, let's see. So I changed how the tutorial works basically for the better, for sure. Now it doesn't suck. Your internet is broken today, dude. That's like the worst. Lieutenant goes first. What what up, Lakey? Damn, you're so dedicated. You're on mobile. Let's go. We got Lakey, we got Lieutenant, we got Wolfric, 10x Devin. Let's drop a 10x. May we all have a 10x day. Wolfric, I'm gonna put this. Believe me, you're about to get this comment right where you want it. Tutorial element, dude, at the top of the most important class of the month. Dev lives here. Wolfric underscore date. Sick. Who else we got? We got Yeroon. Let's go. Yeroon, how was your time, dude? Yeroon, it seems like the party worked ya, as it should, by the way. As it should. Are you recovering well? And we got Devlin. What is going on? What an electric start to the day. Devlin, what's good, my friend? Great to see ya. The party was good? Hell yeah, dude. Looks sick from the photo. You said you had to listen to your body. That's how I know it went well. Oh, all right. So let's keep cooking, guys. So I'm changing the inner workings on how you store the tutorial data. I'll even show you. Create. Let's go to create flow. Now it's just one big, like, you could stick this in a JSON file. It's just a JSON object. And this is big because I don't know what I was thinking on the other idea. Wasn't a good idea. This is a good idea. And it's gonna make my life easier. So let's see if we can't solve this. This dot steps. I'm hoping to finish basically the first two steps of Tutorial Island and get a release out today, by the way. Like I'm that close to what I think is done. And I had to do this reworking because I was running into an issue. Get step option. I was running into an issue. Oh, bro, wait till you see the app, dude. If I can get it built while you're still here, I probably need 20 minutes. it's a little broken. But download the app if nothing else, dude. Scan that QR code. Check it out, dude. The community is electric right now. I'm getting notifications out the wazoo, dude. It's crazy. It is absolutely electric. Thanks to pretty much everybody who you see in the chat so far. So shout out to all you guys. All right. I don't know what this is for or why we need it. So when in doubt, delete it out. Tutorial is active. That seems like a reasonable thing to want to know. Flow key. Flow state. This thing's being weird. It's letting me compare different object types. I thought TypeScript like didn't let you do that. Like obviously they're not going to match. They're literally different types. All right, create state. I don't know what in the hell this is. And we get rid of them. And I'll just figure out the rest as I go. There you go. Okay. So what I wanted to, now that I have this class working, public, I need to write a method to see if I can, or to see if in a oh, see, so I have flow contains step. I need step contains option. Step contains option. Option of type tutorial option key. Step. I would have probably said key. Step. Think so. Shrey, welcome back in. Another day. How we doing? State step dot options dot sum. What's good? Returned. Cooked. Oh, dude, I woke up, dude. I wake up with butterflies every day to work on this app. Maybe it's because of the streaming aspect. I'm not sure why I get the butterflies. I'll wake up at 2:30 in the morning just like, let's just get it on. Let's get going. But that would ruin my day, so I go back to bed. But needless to say, I'm very excited every morning, which is crazy because I've been doing this for like coming up on 3 years now. Not the streaming part, but this app, consistently building it. Okay, so we have this. Let's look for tutorial element. I hear a special guest coming up the stairs. Oh, she's already up. What's up, special guest? I can't really move. I'm too lazy to move, but she's behind me. Streaming and talking about people, and the app is exciting and it's growing, dude. Like that's what's crazy. We got a new premium subscription yesterday. I mean, what more can you freaking ask for, dude? She's growing. That number, it's not growing fast, but it is growing. Actually, hydrate sounds like a good idea. That's one of my habits. It's one of my habits. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so here we are on this thing again. So again, guys, I'm restructuring how we store the data for each tutorial flow. A flow allows you to basically shows you how to it shows you one set of operations, like creating a habit, completing a habit. Those are two different flows. I changed how we store that, and everything else in the app broke because I just literally ripped its guts out and put somebody else's guts in. So now we gotta make it work. I just turned my desk around again, Trive. Thank you. Yeah, I'm always reconfiguring the office. Okay, so I should be able to do this. What do I need? Um. Oh. Oh. I now I know. Get doing well here, man. Family's great. Everyone's great. We are the blessed ones. Let me tell you. Thanks for asking. Hope the same for you, dude. I hope the same for you. My son's birthday party's this weekend. And what's ridiculous is before the birthday party, I gotta go to some other kid's birthday party. What's up with these kids having birthday parties? It's gonna be a good time. Get step option. Get step from flow. Yeah. Okay, cool. And then this one, that's fine. That's fine. Oh, dude, he's in the Ninja Turtles. So we got, dude, I got everything Ninja Turtle you could imagine. If there's a Ninja Turtle on it, we got it. My favorite thing I got him is um Ninja Turtle walkie talkies. That's gonna be sick. The Ninja Turtle walkie talkies. Yo, by the way, Cassian, thanks so much for the follow. What's the name of that kind of keyboard? Oh, you're in luck. You should look into it. It's great. Yeah, I'm gonna get. You're right, dude. Ebra, you're right. I'm gonna give him a better premium. It's time. It's time to get this boy hammering. No more walking straight to running. All right. So const step equals tutorial service dot get step from flow current step key. Outstanding. If we don't have the step, Calamore, don't worry, I'll chat right back to you, my friend. Yeah, dude, lots of people have it. I was inspired by people in this community, uh, and that's why I got it. Yo, Jediah, how you doing? Welcome in. Get selected step. What the? Get step from flow, you buffoon. Okay, sick. So this should be step. Oh, I thought for sure it was step. Step that. Oh, crap. What am I missing, guys? Get option. Get option. This is where it all comes out, guys. This is where it all comes out. No, Trano, I just turned my desk around. You know, real crazy. Getting real crazy up in the office. 10 new users last 24 hours? That's insane. Let's see how many habits were created. Are people creating habits? That's usually the good test. 126, guys. Guys, Embedder's growing. It's growing. The data's in. The data is in. It is consistently growing. That is crazy. Let's keep working. Okay, so you think a dragon will keep people in? If I put a dragon in the app, people be like, "Oh." Hell no, it ain't exponential. It's logarithmic, but it's growth. All right. So I have this step. Trying to think this through. We have never marketed Trey. Never marketed before. Although I'm pretty sure our where'd my phone go? Did you take my phone? She's like, I didn't take it. Meh. Oh well. I'm pretty sure the reviews kind of stopped. Let's look. Apple App Store and better. Let's see if we get any reviews. Yeah, 19 reviews. Question. Question. What up, Akira? Question, guys. I need you to answer this question. This is an important question. I need to know because I have no idea. For Android and iOS, please specify your device. Please specify your device. If you have used the app and you have seen the uh, review this app modal pop up. Have you used the app and seen it? And if so, on what device? Yo, Kaias, great to see you as well, my friend. You've never seen it, Lieutenant. Damn. iPhone and damn. No, no. Well, here's the deal. You need to share to the timeline in order to see it. So if people don't share to the timeline, they won't see it, which means maybe we need to add more areas, such as complete. Wait, no, maybe it's completing your day. No, it's completing your day. It's not sharing on the timeline. It's completing your day. So if you complete all your tasks, you should see it. That's important anyway. I don't know. I added that feature. I thought for sure reviews would blow up, and I didn't get a single review from adding it. It was honestly pretty disappointing. I thought for sure that was going to be an easy win on reviews. Android Play Store and better. Let's see what comes up on it. Well, damn, we're kind of cooking. We did get a few on Android over time. Oh my shit. 20 reviews. Android's officially surpassed iOS on reviews. Crazy. Anyway, let's keep cooking. We got a lot of work to do today. Yo, Swolka, let's go. Glad to see you, my friend. Okay, so I restructured how we store the tutorial data because I had to, and I'll explain it once I reconcile these ridiculous changes. So we have the step. What does the step give us? Step has options. Okay, great. So from here, I can say const option equals. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be great. Watch this. Watch this, guys. It's way better. What I've created here is way better. Public static get option from step. It's just way better. Option equals tutorial island service dot get option from step. Boom, 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 boom. Expected 2 args. That seems very logical. Option. Where does option come from? Key. I appreciate that, Lieutenant. Yeah, I really thought people would be getting those. Little odd, but that's okay. I think it takes some time to propagate, but thank you for adding one, dude. Really appreciate it. It, cause like without marketing, that's the only prayer at getting views. But dude, our data is up right now. Akira, I wanted to show you this. I know you've got way better insights than me, but look at this. What? That number just changed. It went up by 20 since last time I ran it. Almost 150. That's a record. That's 100% in-app record. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. A better last 24-hour users. 10 new users. Can't say the apps. You can't say the apps not grow. And a new premium user yesterday. New premium user, which revealed the bugs. I went to look at their profile, and they didn't have the check mark. Classic me. Classic me. Key. What do you want from me? You don't care either way. Okay. Blocked. Alter bridge. Wow. Wow. Take me back. Children's style. So like what in the hell does it want option for? So I guess option can be, well, what do these different things want the option for? Weird. Okay. Option, let's call it option key. Inner key. Key. I don't even know what we use it for, but that's okay. Let's just keep cooking in the meantime. Oh yeah, we need it for here. Boom, report. Okay, we'll deal with you later. Yeah, I ripped this app's guts out, and I'm trying to bring them back to life. Lieutenant, add a feature suggestion. That's what we need, my friend. Thanks for that. Option key. Oh, don't you tell me what I can and can't do. It's not even used, so who cares? Oh, come on. Option key. There we go. That's well cooked. Option key. Boom, boom, boom. Come down here. Option key. Option key. Okay, that's well cooked. Now we have the actual option. And then hopefully I can do option dot whatever this thing wanted. Option dot tooltip. Dude, this is an absolute classic. Um, on press reportable. Option dot next flow. And I'm gonna do myself a favor. Anything that's a key, I'm prefixing with the word key. Next flow key. Well, yeah, we're just prefixing everything with a key. So you don't get lost in the sauce, guys. Option dot hidden. That's something we don't even care about right now. Eh. You're so bummed you won't be able to walk for a while. Dude, how'd you get an injury? I was reading that. Well, I've been injured. I've been there, dude. It's not fun. Okay. False. Option key. Okay, cooking all this. Key. Key. Cooked. Next flow. Key. Key. All right. Next flow. Key. All right. Yo, what up? Gon Kalito, you're learning TypeScript. Why using interface and not classes? An interface just simply defines the way that I use interfaces in JavaScript is a little different. In fact, it's very different than Java or C Sharp. So if you're even asking me about classes, that means you are coming from something like Java or C Sharp. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I bet I'm not. An interface here is more, there you go. An interface here is more likely to be used to define an object type. Like we don't in JavaScript, I say we like I'm part of the community. Like I broke into the community, guys. It's not as frequent here in JavaScript to create a class with public variables or private variables and the getters and setters and all that. Honestly, many times we just use it's just an object that adheres to an interface. So for instance, and this is very common in JavaScript. So you pass around the interface and look at this right here. Excuse me. These are just public. You could just think of these as public variables sitting on the interface. It's very common. And because there's a lot of tips and tricks you'll end up doing with these interfaces, such as what's the three dots called? What's the three dots called? Ellipsis. What's a expand? Is it called an expand? Either way, there's lots of tricks you may do with spread operator. Thank you, Akira. There's lots of tricks you might do, such as spread operator, and basically like jamming different types into different types and pulling different pieces of data out to adhere to different forms. So interface is a common way to define your object. Long story short, I do use classes, by the way. I do use classes all over the place, but not usually as an object. My classes are more so just to define like-oriented functions. Use some sort of scar bothering you. Let's add some padding to prevent it. It worked great on Tuesday. You guys was sweating and whatnot. It got rougher. Rubbed against your toe on your way home. Skin was peeling off. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, I've experienced a similar experience. Never fun, dude. Never fun. All right, so this class is looking good. I need to figure what this is. Yeah, this poor thing. But if you need to build an object in our prompts, correct, you don't use it. You don't use the constructor here. There are times you may want to. There are times you may want to, Gon Khalito, but it's It's not. It's not common. It's not common here. In fact, I write uh, JavaScript probably how professional JavaScript developers don't. See, like I'm always using classes and namespaces, and a lot of people don't do it. Do I have a? Do I have a? Like, I feel like I actually just. I seriously feel like just yesterday or the day before, I actually made a class in the traditional sense. Like, look, here you go. This is rare in my code base, which is crazy because in my Java code base, this is typical. Look, I have a class that implements an actual interface. This is a C sharp interface all day long, right? Log in, log out, get this, get this, get this. It's blah 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 blah. All day, very rare in JavaScript to do something like that. Which is interesting. And I say that like I've ever seen another JavaScript code base before, but I just get a feeling. Okay. Okay. I understand now. Set tutorial island state here. Flow state, which contains a flow and a current step key. That's gonna cook right there for sure. Um, huh? See, look right here. If you're still here, Goncalito, I'm create. Look, I have a variable that adheres to an interface. Look at this interface. It just these interfaces. I think I figured it out, dude. These interfaces define properties. They're not explaining your class functions. They just define what the properties inside are gonna look like. So that's kind of the difference. So flow, and then current. There you go. Way to cook for me. Why not use types instead of interface? I got literally no idea, dude. Do you? Do you know the pros and cons? Genuinely asking? I got no idea. When to use type versus interface. Yeah, walk in your hands, dude. Use interface when defining object shapes. Classic. Classic. Use types when you need to define a union. Whatever. I don't care what this thing's saying. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Let's see here. So boom. That'll set the state. What is God? What is this? Let me see. Let me see. I'm the authority on knowing if somebody knows their stuff on TypeScript. Yeah, this guy's good. This guy's good. I'm gonna have to watch that video. I got it queued up. I'm not gonna watch it right now, but I got it queued up in my tab because that dude definitely knows what that guy says. You should most likely be doing. Okay. Um. Oh, it is. I opened up my window and I'm starting to think that wasn't the right play. It says it's 64 out though. Should be cold. And Ibra, I just want you to know I queued up um I queued up Cruella radio today. So let it be known the music goes where the music goes. The Dev Dad merely programs. Okay, current step option. We already know the current step option. Okay. Report option pressed. So I'm gonna say option key here. Option key. Okay. So we know this. Get current. We already know the current step option. We already know it. But what we need is, oh, we got the state. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Tutorial on state. Current step key. Yeah, Trano, I need that more than you know, dude. It's like that's become so valuable. For what it's worth, I think you could tap at the top of your phone and it'll bring you up. I would look, but my phone, who God knows where my phone went. I did have it. Yo, Cameron, what's good? Welcome. All right. So what is this thing actually? I don't even want to look at the old logic. This is like the crux of my entire change right here. What I'm doing is why I just refactored the entire tutorial system, because I had this same element. I had the same element, the same option twice in a row in the tutorial step. But my old logic used to say, oh, just go through the steps and find the first one, and that's how you know what state you're in. Well, I had two. So I actually need to know, not your, I need to know basically what index I'm on. You got a code comment for, did you get a code comment for evil floating point bit level hacking? No, I have no idea what that is, bro. What is that? Ibra, I did mine yesterday. It's enjoyable. You enjoy, dude. You enjoy. I did my plank yesterday. I was electric yesterday. Oops. Okay, here we go, guys. Um, so what are we doing? We know which one's pressed. So congrats. What does that mean for us? Const current step include current option advances current step equals so we're gonna do this const current step, get a step from flow. Yup. Then we're gonna say oh, this is gonna be a good one. Option step contains public static contains advanceable option. return and oh, don't you say that to me. Hopefully, let's do this. True. Cooked. Yo, Rozarski, what's good, my friend? Mate, at this point, how long do you think it'll take for this to make your code readable for the... Oh, it's already readable, baby. It's already readable, baby. Come on. Come on, Chad. Come on, Chad. Do you know who's writing this stuff, dude? They don't call me the CCK for nothing. The Clean Code King. The Clean Code King. They don't call me the Clean Code King for nothing. Step contains advanceable option. What's your good? Okay, if you're sure. Okay. Why are you trying to get in on this code base, bro? Oh, you wish. Not you, by the way, Chad. This error wishes I would let it stick around. No, I mean like, do you have well documented your files and functions so that a new person Chad, it only depends if the new person's good enough. It only depends if the good person's good enough. Akira jumped into the code base in every repo I have and has been adding code as if the machine wrote it. Which is proof. If you're good enough, you can plug right in. No, there's no documentation. There's no documentation. You know what there is. Akira backed me up on this. You know what there is, and I pride myself on it. That's why they called me the Clean Code King. And by the way, I didn't give myself that name. I've been in different Twitch streams, and I've heard people say I've read comments like, "Did you see what the Clean Code King did today?" And someone goes, "Who's the Clean Code King?" And I was like, "Yeah, I wonder who that is." And they're like, "It's the Dev Dad." So again, I didn't give myself that name. And that's a true story. No, it's not. Anyway, um, I'm being dead serious when I say this. I pride myself on consistency. I don't even think code cleanliness is that important. I think consistency is key. No, in fact, I do say consistency is king. King. Because if you can figure it out once, you can figure it out again and again and again and again. Okay, so let's get the next step, guys. Let's see if Copilot can do it because I don't really know what it is. Next step equals, well, current step index equals okay. I thought I heard A7X. Okay, there's got to be a better way to do this. I got the current next step. Well, let's say this. If if const next step, and then let's do a little dispatcherooski, shall we? There it is. We did it. It's the worst code I've ever seen, but we did it. Yeah, you like consistency. Getting the structure nailed down early on. This key, otherwise you refactor like no other as soon as you have a better idea. 100% Uberic. And I've battled that in this code base. I've also worked in code bases where there's been about 500 different good ideas. But if no good idea sticks, it ain't even worth it. It ain't even worth it. Okay. This is interesting, guys. Wow. Watch this. If option okay, I know what I'm going to do later. To change flow here. Guys, I'm telling you, there's something, I don't know if it's my keyboard. I'm afraid to say it's either my keyboard or it's my text editor. Holding a modifier doesn't hold forever. It eventually stops holding. Look. Okay, then we need to test that. Good question. Good question. And I don't actually probably need a new I probably don't even need a new keyboard. Hold a different shift key. It's looking pretty good, isn't it? It's looking pretty good, isn't it? Dude, it's the left side of the keyboard, I think. I just tweeted about it yesterday. It's a really annoying bug. Okay, I'm holding the left side again. I don't know what causes it. Now the problem's gone. I'll never know, guys. I will never know. There it goes. It just did it. Okay, let's try this side then. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try this for 1 more minute. By the way, then I'll drop it. It's just it's really annoying in NeoVim because you need your modifiers to work. Working long hours on your PC has made your vision blurry? Damn, dude. That's a grind. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It's official. It's the left side of my keyboard. For whatever reason, the modifier keys are screwing up. Causing me great heartache. Okay. All right, guys. Where to next? Tutorial Island modal. Cool. All right. Current step. Key. Notification step. I've been using it for a couple months now, and I really, really enjoy it. This bug is really inconvenient though, but it may I don't it has nothing to do with split keyboards. I highly recommend the split keyboard. They're dope. Okay, notification step. What the hell's a notification step? The get option from step. Get step from flow. Tutorial. Come on, mine. Flow. Okay, whatever. Um, oh, to add a log message? That's pretty funny. That's a funny one, dude. I haven't thought about that. I haven't thought about that. That's a good one, dude, honestly. I like that. I don't know. How many do you think it should be? Tutorial. Get option from step. Yo, Trom, what's good? Welcome in. Option. I don't know what to say. If sure. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, what about it? Kita invalid. Not as big as you remembered. Oh, it's intense. It's an intense one. It's not our first time seeing something intense though. Visible. All right, this is horrible. This component just got blown to smithereens. Let's see if she still functions at least. Okay. We're getting close. We're getting close. Bruh. Your embedder doesn't crash, Rozarski. What are you talking about? Nah, dude, your app doesn't crash. Okay, so it thinks the flow is bad. No, I think output to the log's sick. Yeah, true, true, true. There are some notifications that don't open. Good call. Well, Rizarshi, just don't click them. Just don't click them and you won't have to deal with it. Okay, I have an idea. Main. Let's go down here. Let me try something. Cool. Ooh. Wow. Correct, random potato. Correct. Correct. Global. Wait, where's the initial state? Here. All right, hold on. Guys, I think we're moments from greatness. We're moments from greatness. Rizarshi, this one goes out to you, okay? This one goes out to you. Damn. Thought we were that. Oh, the error changed. Ah, classic. Classic. Dude, I haven't committed this code base in like 2 weeks now. It's just all sitting locally. Not ideal. Key. Key. Option key. I see you, Swoka. I see you. Oh my god, it works. Well, it worked for a split second. It worked for a freaking split second. Eee. God, wish me luck. Guys, by the way, that court case I was following, hung jury. Hung jury. Mistrial. Tragic, by the way. Tragic. What is going on here? Cool. Okay. Someone queued it up, dude. I don't know. I came out the gates with a Cruella, just great EDM music. You guys, I don't know what happened to that strategy, but that's the way of the game. That's the way of the game. Sometimes it goes, sometimes it don't. What happened here? Why do I not believe this? What does this want, actually? Cool. Invalid. This one is create. This one is complete. Tutorial complete. All right, guys. Come on. Bring me something good here. I gotta restart it. Cold boot. No, we listen to the cues. We follow the way of the cues. All right, so that I feel like we're in a decent place. I'm not seeing data I would have expected to see, so I don't think we're fully migrated yet, but we're getting close. We're getting close. There's a reason for all this, by the way. There is a reason for all this. Tommy, always a pleasure, my friend. How you doing? Welcome. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Perfect. Switch. Oh my god, I would never, dude. That gives me anxiety just reading it. Switching operating systems that don't come pre-installed on the machine I've purchased sounds like the worst thing ever. Dude, hell yeah, VR. Nice, dude. Build something sick on it. Okay, what's your beef? Oh. Much better. Much better. Oh my goodness. Much better. All right. Let's do this. I like alerts these days, because I know a lot of you guys like console.logs. I'm more of an alert type of guy. Who put this banger on? Who put this banger on? Why do I feel like this is Spotify radio? Who put it on? It's usually how it goes. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You're convinced? What convinces you of that? Okay, here we go. Yes. Yes. Oh my goodness, guys. Look. Look. We've done it. Now it doesn't advance. Non-advanceable option. Tommy, I'm more of a OS X type of dev personally. If I had my way with things, I'd be on OS X, and it would just be such a wonderful experience. It'd be so wonderful. Non-advanceable option. Why are we a non-advanceable option? Um, okay. So let's go to create flow. You go to the very first step. Oh, crap. I actually don't know what this means. We're going to have to think this through, guys, okay? Lakey, I'm more of an OS X type of guy. Tommy, reading that is literally giving me anxiety. I'm not even kidding. For some computer folks, I think that's a good fit. I don't want to do anything that has to do with the word GNOME, super duper stable. I don't want anything to be very OS X like. I just want it to be OS X. You know, as a 23, god damn it, 32-year-old computer programmer, I don't need things to look and feel like OS X. I need them to be OS X. Trano, I tried to sneak that in there, dude. I tried to sneak it in there, bro. Damn it. Okay. So what's happening here? Temple OS is legendary. That's one of the weirder mysteries of the world, dude. Temple OS. All right, I don't know why this it doesn't look like it's pressing. I didn't change that though. Huh. Huh. Yeah, no, Rizarshi, I don't need to bounce my opinion off of Prime, dude. Just pick up any Mac and then test it out. They're great. Okay, getting things are not working yet. Let's understand why. Well, for one, that seems bad. Let's go down here and see what we're doing. Yeah, I need one of the M chips, dude. Bro, the problem with Linux is you always got to keep dicking around with it and configuring it. And oh crap, this config file's out of place. And oh, you want to start your SSH server? Well, now you got to do this, that, the other. It just doesn't go the distance. That's my problem with any Linux operating system. It must be maintained and groomed like a plant. If you don't continue watering the plant, it dies. If you don't keep watering the operating system, it dies. Mac and Windows, They're like succulents, dude. You gotta water them once every 4 years. You gotta water them every freaking once every 100 days. Like you barely need to touch it. Random potato. I haven't messed around with my Mac and I can't even tell you. It's just been firing for so long. It just works. All right, we need to figure out what's happening here because something ain't right. We're close though, guys. We are close. My Windows machine just works, except for when it didn't. Yeah, that's the beauty of life, right there. We all love our own things. Me with the Apple Ultra watch on my wrist, I'm an Apple boy. Okay, I think I know what's going on. By the way, no, I don't. Yeah, dude, Tommy, exactly. Yeah, it is too secure for me too, Rizarshi. Pisses me off how secure it is, you know? True. Okay, we're cooking. Random potato, I've been when it works, it's just an absolute dream. I still would rather have the latest and greatest Mac, but I can't afford it. That's the problem. I can afford a dinky Windows machine for $1,200 USD and put WSL on it. If you buy a $1,200 USD MacBook, the thing's gonna light your desk on fire. So this needs to be passed through. Okay, so then we're gonna get the option if if option. Much better. Okay, it's not respecting my button clicks, which I don't like. Okay, so like what's going on there? Tooltip. On press. On dismiss. Okay, fine. Let's go back. On dismiss. Advance. Console.log. Let's go. Why aren't we hitting advance? how horrible of news for us. Why aren't we hitting advance? On to tooltip. I mean, you're obviously pressing this button like I was like log on dismiss. Yep. Okay. I'd dismiss. 2. What? Bruh. Bruh. Bruh, you guys seeing this? You guys seeing this? How are we hitting dismiss, but not dismiss 2? We're so close, guys. We're so close. Something ain't right though. I don't know what it is yet. Excuse me. All right, let me get rid of this alert. Global. Custom. Major follow alert. Let's go. From Shidori, let's go. Welcome in. Oh, okay. Okay. Major follow alert. Let's go. Tuskito, welcome in. Thanks so much for the follow, guys. Glad to have you both of you here. All right. Guys, what in tarnation's going on? Is all I can really say right now. What in tarnation is going on right now? Am I crazy? There's the on press. It says dismiss, and then it calls the on dismiss that's passed in. Okay, congrats to us. I mean, I suppose. Oh, I might be an idiot. No, I am an idiot, guys. Guys, sometimes when you're dumb, you're dumb. Okay. When you're dumb, you're dumb. This burned me twice now. When you're dumb, you're dumb. Am I right, Razarshi? Excuse me. Okay. Okay. No, we're back on track now. We definitely did have one though. Hello, you're Spanish? Amazing. Welcome. Okay. Option. Okay, it says it doesn't advance the current step. Which is just which is dumb anyway. Huh. Huh? Step contains option. Ouch. Chaos. Ouch. To have your app bug like that, dude, that sucks. Ouch, chaos. Ouch. Where the messages at? Ouch, buddy. His cloud function didn't fire. I wonder if he ran out of credits from Firebase. Okay. Current step. Congrats to me. Current step index is 0. That's correct. That's a weird check, so I'm just going to get rid of it. Next step. Bruh. No, that's correct. That's correct. That right there is correct. Have I seen that Rabbit R1 security flaw? What, that freaking piece of crap you wear on your your chest? Rizarshi, you get him. Rizarshi, get on him. Tabasco, what's good? Welcome in. You had a question. Oh. Oh. Give it to us straight, Tabasco. Give it to us straight. Okay. Yeah, Twitch scam. That's tough, dude. That's tough. That performance just wouldn't pass. Like if you were on my team and in the comment came in that much quick, that fast after the follow, we'd be having a conversation. We'd be having a conversation in my office. Okay. Next step. So the next step is correct. Set tutorial state. This is working, guys. Set tutorial state is working. So the question is, who's calling get tutorial island state? Well, it's not actually working because I don't think it's actually setting it. Are you... I would have... I think I have an idea. Flow. Wait, what do you want? What is a tutorial island state? Like it's a college in the United States. Tutorial Island State University. Yeah, you're a flow in a current step key. Then I shall make you. Next flow state of this type equals boom boom. Okay, cooked. Flow. Current step. Next flow state. Cooked. Okay, reload. You can't store fingerprints data and use that data in React Native, right? Only device's fingerprint. I don't know anything about that, but I'm almost certain it's a operating system level bit of data and has like I don't think I can get your fingerprint and then go use it somewhere. That seems crazy. No, it's definitely operating system operation. The operating system can read your, I'm sure the operating system can read your fingerprint and then report to the app that's using it and talk to it. All right, let's wake this baby up. Let's wake this baby up. Oh no. Oh, this son of a bee, guys. I don't know. For those of you who stuck around for me building this damn tutorial, thank you, because it was not supposed to be like this. It was not supposed to be a 2-week adventure. Do you know how to push up screen? No, I don't think so. I use it because I thought it looked cool, and I keep it because it really is more comfortable. And I really, yeah, you kind of just like rest your palms on the keyboard and just move your fingers. Which a lot of keyboards you kind of got to hover and move your fingers around, like to make the stretch or whatever. This one you literally just rest it, and that's really comfortable. So if you're ever interested, I definitely think it's worth a shot. I mean, they're not cheap. For what it's worth, the resale value on these things is pretty high. This specific model. Okay, here we go, guys. Start create. Oh yeah, it almost worked, guys. I don't know what happened, dude. How did this all break? Um, it does take a lot of time to get used to it. Okay, so I don't know what happened. We set the option. This thing's kicking my butt, man. I shouldn't. I don't know. It is what it is. It's the bottom line. Where are my logs? Where are my logs at? Welcome to Embedder. Let's create your first habit. Why is it opaque? So let's go to element. Which one is being selected in here? It's got to be blocked. Why are we blocked? Using targeted for my habits tab. That's exactly what I would expect. So what happened? Why is it opaque, dude? Not yet. Something unexpected is broken. Could it be hidden? Screw you, hidden. We don't even want you. I don't even know what changed, man. I don't even know what changed. I don't even know what changed. Why is everything opaque? Like it's like it's got a modal background above it. It does. It does. Oh yeah, they'll tell you about the anti patterns random. Don't let them get you down, dude. Don't let them get you down. Uncle Bobby doesn't want you ever using an else statement. Don't let him get to you, dude. Keep cooking. For the record, I actually don't like using else for that reason. But don't even worry about it. Just cook how you like to cook. That's the key here. Okay, I have an idea. Like if that's your bone to pick, then I got nothing for you. You know what I mean? Oh, on dismiss. What happened? This is really fun. Do I not dismiss? See, that's why I hate this keyboard that if I hold control undo and redo, ultimately the control gets dropped and it changes it to a replace and I lose my undo history. It's enough to make me go insane. It's enough to make me go absolutely insane. I need to try considering using the different control over here. Tutorial modal. So what is this supposed to do? Yo, Prayages, what up? Should I try to cook on the mothership? Should I try to cook on the mothership? They don't want you to cook on the mothership, I'll tell you that much. We're about to try again because the undo history is breaking my heart. Let's see how bad this is. Let's see how bad this is. Got to get it perfectly aligned for the camera for the swag points. Okay, here we go. My camera's ill aligned. It's all about the aesthetics, guys. Okay. Do you think I can still cook on this keyboard? Okay, what were we doing? We were trying to see if visible. Something about the modal mine. Um, so this thing should act. Yeah, this feels really uncomfortable. This keyboard feels really uncomfortable, which is a shame because it used to cook so hard. It used to absolutely cook. It's like imagine like cramming your freaking hands in here like you want to break your wrists in half. It's crazy that people type like this. But at least the undo and redo history doesn't get fricked up. That's the problem right here, guys. It's the return null, I think. Yeah, it's the return null. You can't be returning null on them, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna be in shambles on this keyboard, let's be honest. I'm just in a bad spot. I guess I just have to use a broken keyboard. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I gotta hit up Foxtrot and tell him to trade keyboards. I put him on the wrong side. It's shocking that I have to deal with this, to be honest. So what's happening is my modifier key is lifting. It's unregistering for some reason. And it's causing great heartache. I'm gonna leave a comment in their forums. All right, so let's keep cooking. Uh, we need a bootleg step here. Okay, I know what to do. Okay, watch this. Valid defaults. So I can do this. Export invalid flow state of type flow key dot invalid. Eh. Oh crap. So before I do that, I gotta do export const valid flow. Okay. And then we can do invalid step. Absolutely cooked. Absolutely cooked. Absolutely cooked. Then here we just pass in Invalid flow state. Cooked. Okay. Now that I have all that, let's go back to tutorial modal. And this is going to be, we need invalid step. I need to rename these. Invalid tutorial island flow. Tutorial is land. Tutorial. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm going to do about this modifier key. Like, it's kind of a big deal. And I kind of don't have the patience to, like, go through customer support and all that. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay. And then notification option. Invalid option. Okay. Invalid tooltip data. And notification option dot and cool. Invalid option. All right, let's see what happens, guys. Oh my god, we're so back. Oh my god, we advanced one button press. We advanced one button press, guys. I couldn't be more proud. I couldn't be more proud. We advanced one button press, guys. Can I get a 10x in the chat for advancing one button press? We are one button press farther than we were. Watch, I bet we're more than one now. Watch this. Start. Let's go. Boom. Boom. Okay, now this one's broken. Okay, we're so back, guys. Tutorial is land. Create, edit. Just take me to where I need to go, baby. Key. Watch this. Percent. Akira, couldn't I do like a control R or something to change this? Dude, I'm sad, man. I'm honestly really sad. The keyboard is unable to operate, dude. Like, it's kind of becoming enough's enough. It happens every every 20 button presses, 30 button presses. Glove 80 firmware. Or what? Yeah, I don't know. Weird. Visual select control R. That'd be sick if that works. It doesn't work. Damn it. I probably lost it. What do you guys think I do about the keyboard? I just like things to work. I just like things to work, Rizarshi. That's all I'm saying is I just like things to just work. That's all I ask. I don't think I did leader R. I probably just don't have it. Yeah, I just don't have it. Damn it. Okay. We're so close. Create flow. Oh, here you go. Oh no, we never got this. Huh. Hello. No option found for habits. My habits list. That can't be true. That can't be true. I can try to do Bluetooth. Let's go to Bluetooth. Yeah, bro. Of course the log's only in debug mode. All right, we're in Bluetooth mode. Let's see if Bluetooth mode can stand the test of time. It's a Morgo Glove 80, dude, and there's something about holding the modifier key that it just can't do. But maybe it can in Bluetooth mode. Like it's not breaking yet. I don't believe it for a freaking second though. I just don't believe it. Okay, let's try shift. Bear with me for 1 second. I need to test this bad boy out. Wait, Cyprian, you're saying you haven't created a new habit on the app? Why not? All right, I think Bluetooth mode works. I think we'll call it good. I'm so like I'm muscle memory to be paranoid about it. It's like when I'm undoing, I know it's not gonna work. Okay. Okay, well let's do this. Wow, did he just say cable issue? I mean, that's plausible as freaking anything, dude. That's very possible. Mono, way to swing the axe on that fool. Dripping water all over myself. That's perfect. At least I'm out of coffee. Good to see you, Mono. How's it going? All right, guys. Why didn't this work? I'm so paranoid. Seriously, when I navigate around, I'm like, I know it's not. I know it's gonna break. It's just a matter of when, and it hasn't since I switched to Bluetooth mode. Oh my god, I would be so happy if it because I want the keyboard to work. You're verifying all your business details and apple. Yeah, not fun. All right. Current step is what? Oh, weird. It didn't progress it. Oh, Iconoclast. What's good? Oh my god, I can't believe the keyboard's gonna start working again, guys. Oh, that makes me so happy. Probably is a cable issue. Probably that simple, dude. Uber. The simplest solution's likely the it's the most likely. Okay, why didn't it advance? The one downside with the Bluetooth is I think the keyboard falls asleep very quickly. And it takes like 10 seconds to wake up. So, Let's use a different cable. Yeah, it's horrible. It's truly, truly a horrid thing. Welcome in, Grumpy. How we doing? Okay. Okay, so things feel like they're not broken. All right. Why didn't it advance? Create edit. Huh. Huh. We gotta restart it. Current step. Um. Step contains. Cool. Cool. Okay, we got every log in the world. Here we go. For everything. I can't believe it was a freaking cable, guys. Was it a cable? Are we calling it a cable? Are we calling it a cable? Are we calling it a cable, guys? Oh my god, we're calling it a cable, aren't we? It was a cable. It was a freaking cable, dude. I'm such a noob at computers. I can't wait to report back to Twitter and tell them that it was a cable. I can't wait to tell them it was a cable. Look like you're such a loser, dude. Premiere was good. It is a good command. Okay, here we go. Let's keep cooking. Now that we know it's a USB cable issue. I can't believe a USB cable, and I was blaming the entire keyboard. I feel like such an idiot. I feel like such an idiot. Rozarshi, am I an idiot? Rozarshi, give it to me straight. I just have bad luck thinking. Guys, I'm not stupid. I just have bad luck thinking. That's exactly what my problem is. My luck is bad. Is announcing a crotch rate a good habit to track? That's not typically the one I'd be tracking, but we all have our own quests we're on. You know what I mean? We're all on our own quests out here. Got it. Next step. Hello. Next step. Wait, what? What in the hell? What in the hell? I think I see it. I think I see it. Premiere, we just have bad luck thinking, dude. I never realized that was my problem. I literally never realized it. Yo, Dragon, how we doing? Next step. The next step is press this tab. The next step is this one. The next step is core info. The next step is optional info. The next step is we don't wait. You can call it a side project. You can call it a side project. Where's the create? Where's explain create? You guys are gonna see me cook this. You guys are about to see me cook this. Watch me cook this, guys. I'm about to show you guys an absolute cook in the kitchen. I'm an absolute cook in the kitchen right now with this update. I had bad data. Watch. Watch. Are you guys watching? Are you watching? Let's go. Let's cook. Let's cook. Let's cook. Let's cook. Let's cook. It's getting slow, but it's cooking, Blackbird. It's cooking. Oh my god, the phone's not gonna make it. The phone's not gonna make it. Oh my god, all I wanted to do was show you it cook, guys. All I wanted to do was show you it cook. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Fight for it. Fight for your right to party. Fight for your right to party. It cooked. That's a really performant application, isn't it, guys? I can't believe my problem for the last God knows how long was a freaking USB cable problem, guys. I don't know what to tell you about that. I don't know what to tell you about that. All right. Let's warm her up. Let's warm her up. She's got to warm up. Let's let her warm up. Let's let her warm up. Let's let her warm up. I was ready to get a new keyboard. Could you imagine if I contacted customer support and was like, yeah, the keyboard's not working? And like, did you try a new USB cable? No. Oh my god, it's absolutely cooking. It's absolutely cooking. Yo. Create. Watch this. Fireworks. Behold, your first habit. Amazing work. Woohoo. Now that you've created your first habit, let's interact with it. Done. All right, guys. We are. What time we got? We are so close. This wasn't in vain. This day of grinding was not in vain. This is where it all comes down to what you're about to see right here and right now. This is what we do it for. Watch this. Watch this. Last step reached. Okay. Okay. So now we want to see. Yo, Louie, let's go. Now we want to see if there's a new flow. Bro. Bro, don't you hack me, dude. Don't you hack me, Rizarshi. I told you. Don't hack me. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, okay. Tutorial Island State. Don't I have my current flow? Sure. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's see if we can cook this. A lot of people said the dev dad can't cook this. Let's see if we can prove them wrong. Next flow key. We're here to prove them wrong, guys. Right here and right now. The dev dad can cook. A little bit of German. Thank you. I speak some German, Louis. 9. Auf Wiedersehen. What else do I got? I'm trying to think back on my World War II Wolfenstein video game I used to play. That's all I got, Louis. That's all I got. Damn it. That's all I got. What's that translate to? I don't dare say that without knowing. Current option. Okay, so we got to change the flow. Const flow equals. Watch this. Public static get flow from key. Cooked. I broke everything. Cooked. Okay. Tomasa, this is German. You don't speak German? Okay. This is for everything, guys. This is for everything. Can the dev dad cook? I had haters in my DMs saying you're not going to finish the tutorial today. I had haters in my DMs saying you'll never finish the tutorial. Can we prove them wrong, guys? Can we prove the haters wrong? Just kick dubs. I would never name. I would never draw attention to them, but just trust me, my DMs are filled with these haters, Mono. So like, I saw your stream. You'll never finish your tutorial island. Damn, it didn't work. Why didn't it work, guys? The haters are onto something, aren't they? Those damn haters. You just console just log your life away. It's so freaking ridiculous. Current option. Next flow. Oh. How, oh, guys, hold on. We got a major, guys, we got major turmoil right now. We got major turmoil. Why is this called next flow? But I'm looking for next flow key. What is going on right now? Next flow key. Create flow. Next flow. There it is, guys. There it is. I told the haters I would solve this. I literally told the haters I would solve it. The haters are so pissed right now, guys. The haters are so pissed off right now. Am I right, Mono? I'm literally ruining the haters' evenings, guys. Oh, I got too many habits, and I don't know what user I'm logged in as. Fake pockets. Bro, I might actually make that my real name username. I might make my I might make my actual app's username fake pockets. I think that's a hilarious username. Okay, here we go. Guys, I'm telling you right now, I cannot believe I was about to punt on this keyboard when it wasn't the keyboard's fault. It was the USB cable's fault. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Deep pockets, here we go. Here we go. This one's for the haters. This one's for the haters, guys. Put a 1 in the chat if this one's for the haters. They never thought we'd get the tutorial island finished. Behold, your first habit. Amazing work. All right, guys, this one's for the haters right here. This one's for the haters. If I click this button and it goes to a new flow, the haters are sick to their stomach. If I click this button and it doesn't work, the haters are going to rejoice and celebrate. Let's show these haters what we're made of. They're sick. They're sick. They're running to the bathrooms to throw up. They're so sick. You don't want to bet against the Dev Dad haters. Oh yeah, it's my favorite song. Okay, here we go. We just cooked the haters. Yeah, take that long live Twitch scam. For what it's worth, that's a little bit that I do for the record. Obviously, I don't have any haters. I do think if you have haters, you're doing something right. I don't have any, so I guess I'm not doing anything right yet. But what I will tell you is this. My favorite thing is when you'll be watching like TikTok reels or whatever, and the people are like, they got their camera and they're kind of filming themselves. They're like, yeah, so many of you have reached out to me, and I got so many DMs asking me about these shoes I got. So let me tell you about this brand of shoes. I'm thinking, bruh, so many people have not reached out to you. So that's what I started doing. That's what I started doing back when I was back when I was prominent on back when I was active on like Snapchat, for instance. I used to send snaps to my friends. I'd be like, yeah, a lot of you guys have been DMing me. Nobody's DMing me. Okay? Nobody's DMing me. No, and then I extrapolated it to my haters. I was like, I'll be like, yeah, I'm getting so many haters in my DMs saying not one person has hated on me in my DM. Not one person. But it's funny. It's funny. Okay, check it out. Check it out, guys. Here's the second workflow. How funny is that? No, but not one person hated on me. In fact, everybody's just extremely kind to me. Everybody's extremely kind to me and says really kind things to me. Not one person has hated on me. And I just get mad at my theoretical haters. So all those people asking about your keyboard have been bots. I don't think they're hating on the keyboard. Yeah, nobody hates me. But I do think if you're doing some deep work and people don't like it, I think that's a good sign. I do think that's a good sign if people are hating on you. We'll get there one day. Okay, here we go. Check it out, guys. I literally spent all yesterday and today to get here. Watch this. Look at this for the haters. Oh, this app is so sick, guys. Oh, okay, this is gonna get intense. So look it. There's two ways you can operate with this widget right here. You can click on the habit, or you can click and swipe the habit. I only want them to swipe right now. My friend downloaded the app yesterday, and I told him, he goes, dude, I'm looking at the habit. How do I update it? I go, I don't know. What would you naturally think to do? What would you naturally think to do? He's like, I don't know. I go, swipe it. He goes, oh, you can swipe it? Yeah, dude. But nobody knows. So we got to tell them. We got to teach them. Okay? Let's teach them. I cannot believe the keyboard works. I cannot believe the keyboard works fully. I'm blown to smithereens by that, guys. Okay, how do we know if something can swipe? A right arrow might suggest swiping. Well, I'm hoping this little graphic. You're right, dude. What if there was a little icon in there? But literally they're gonna get put on this screen. They're gonna get put, and that's my thing, guys. Apple Mail, the Apple Mail app didn't tell you to swipe. You just tried swiping, right? I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, can swipe. False or false? How do we know if we can swipe? Let me go back in time. This is the ultimate test, by the way, guys. This is the ultimate test. This is where the keyboard used to absolutely screw me, and it made me want to cry. When I would undo very far and then I would try to redo back to where I was, but then it would go to insert mode and I would lose my undo history. Here we go. Let's see if it works. We're back in black, baby. We're back in black, baby. Let's go. Let's go. The haters thought the keyboard would stop working. The haters thought the keyboard would stop working. Okay. A visual introduction would be great. Louis, that's what we're working on. That's what we're working on. Hopefully it's clear enough. We'll find out. So Turtle Island State. Tutorial Island State. I guess we don't have the state. This song speaks to my soul. I know. Fair, Louis. Especially the way that sometimes I go into rant mode. I don't expect anybody to know what I'm doing. Rozarshi, somehow you found really good music. The words in this song just really speak to me, and that's why I like it. Do you agree? Guys, come on, guys. Listen. I know what they're saying, Rozarshi. Louis, drop me a link of one for React Native. Drop me a link for all of one for React Native. Drop me a link, baby. Okay. Can swipe step. Ready for this, guys? Guys, I need a 1 in the chat if you're ready. I need a 1 in the chat if you're ready. This is, I restructured everything. I probably did 10,000, probably 6,000 keystrokes just to get where I am right here, right now. This one we will do a prediction. This one we will do a prediction. Listen, guys. Will it work the first try? Will it work the first try? You got 30 seconds to vote. Here's the deal. Right now, it should only swipe. It should not be clickable. Notice it says complete by swiping right. Therefore, I don't want somebody to click on it. I don't want somebody to click on it. So get your votes in. You got 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Get your votes in. Everyone thinks no. Nobody thinks yes. It's free money if you vote yes. Nobody voted yes for me. That's harsh, guys. That's harsh. All right. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. For the click. For the click. It should not click. It should not click. Not clicking. It's not clicking. Okay, step 1 complete. Step 2, it needs to swipe. It needs to swipe. Here we go for the swipe. The haters are so mad right now. The haters are so mad right now. Okay, finally. 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 It cannot swipe now. It cannot swipe now. It cannot swipe now. It can only tap. It can only tap. Here we go. We're going to try the swipe first. Swipe declined. The tap worked. Oh my God. That's that. Okay. Real talk. Obviously, I'm kind of being goofy. Real talk. The reason why that was so important is the old system didn't support the same element being back to back in the flow. What it used to do was it used to look for the element and find the step. So then when I tried to advance it to the tap button, let's go, Captain. Then when I tried to advance it to the tap option, the swipe was, it was finding the swipe first. It was going, oh, perfect. Well, first, let me take all you guys' points, by the way. Let me take all you guys' points, by the way. Choose outcome. Will it work first try? It did work first try. Goodbye. Prediction complete. I hope you guys lost some points there. All right. Oh, let's go, Mono. You snuck one in there, bro. Bro, you snuck one in there? Bro, you never vote for me. You never vote for me. Unbelievable. 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 All right, guys. With all that fun said, my time has come. My time has come. I see Captain's in here, which means we can't raid Captain, but don't you worry. We'll see. We'll catch him soon. Captain, thanks for stopping in, by the way. But shout out the Captain. Guys, this is our favorite raid. Our favorite raid destination. Yesterday I saw his trademark coffee mug running around a map. So something crazy's going on over there is all I can say. Something crazy's going on over there. So make sure you check it out. Okay. Then there's only one natural solution. There's only one natural solution. Almost spelled it wrong. There's only one natural choice. Cake 77. Cake 77. Let's go see what's good with cakes, guys. There's only one choice. Cakes. Thanks for everything, guys. We absolutely cooked today. Like, today was big time cooking. Big time cooking. Same time tomorrow. Same time every single day. And guess what? Final comment. Well, 2 comments. One, scan the QR code if you don't have the app and you want to use the app because the app is great. That's step 1. Final comment number 2. We are paying for advertisements officially starting this week. So this tutorial needs to get done as ASAP as possible. And then we're going to get all the users in the world and they're all going to download it and we're going to make the world a better place and make some money.